On 2nd November, just 2 months ago, we released with a forward by the Honorable Prime Minister a document which in a sense is the preamble or a precursor to today's document, and that document's title was titled Increasing India's Electronics Exports and Share in GVCs. And there was a deliberate reason for that. That objective of that document was to create awareness to the very different phase and very different nature of the growth that we will now face going forward. That while the first phase was in a sense driven by domestic consumption and import substitution to a large extent, the second phase of growth, which is what this document is now signaling, is a phase that will be driven by significant expansion of global markets and global customers for Indian-made products. So truly, this is the phase where the Make in India for electronics will kick in, and $120 billion of exports is not an insignificant goal for us as an ecosystem to achieve. New markets, new customers, and being a player in this global value chain is the goal and mission of the second phase. And I want to say this on record, that these two volumes represent an excellent example of goal setting, detailed strategy making after hours of rigorous engagement between government and industry. And I hope that this will pave in a way the way of the future for government goal setting and planning of our economy and missions.